Cheese. All right, now what are you doing with the chairs, Steven? What did you do with the chairs?
Tractor tip.
That's right, tractor tip. Now what do you say about tractors?
Cheese.
Not cheese. Tractors is so.
Done.
Yeah.
It's so done.
Yeah. All right, let's go show everyone how you tip the chairs. There is a tipped tractor right there.
There.
Mm-hmm. You're sitting on the tractor? Right here. Moo.
Wheels.
Where? Show me the wheels.
Wheels.
Where?
Like this.
Yeah. All right, say bye-bye to everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Wave to everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Now,
Bye-bye, cactus.
bye-bye, tractors.